Hey guys, this is Daniel here from Tech Tutorials 101. This is a quick tutorial on how to install applications silently via MSI exe. Before we get started, just want to say that you will need the MCSI file for this installation. This will not work with a normal exe file. You may be able to extract the MSI file from the exe installation, or you may be able to download it via another link on the manufacturer's website. So this tutorial will show you how to install an application silently. This can be very useful if you've got multiple users or multiple devices and you don't want it to see anything on the screen, or if you don't want any reboots during the installation. This can also be used in conjunction with tools such as SCCM to deploy throughout a larger infrastructure. So to get started, you want to go ahead and download that MSI file, and you want to open command prompt and go to that directory. So I've downloaded the PuTTY installation MSI there, and the command we're going to be using is MSI exec. And then we're going to use the iSwitch for installation, and then we're going to put in the file path, so ctemp PuTTY installation, and then we use the QN switch. The QN switch is to use a silent installation. You can also use /silent for that. Then we've got the log switch. So really useful switch. This will essentially create a log file for you to use, just in case there are any errors. A full MSI log file with any troubleshooting information in there. You can also use wildcards in this log. So you can do c/%name machine name, and that will create a log file with the name of that machine name. And that way you can distinguish between different machines or even different users if you do percentage username percentage. And that way, if a certain user said they're having an issue with the installation, you can go straight there, look at that log file, and see what the errors are. So let's go ahead. And you do have to pre-create the folder you're going to use and also name the file. So you have to create that log folder. You can also use a UNC path and you can dump all these logs onto a network share. So now we've done that, if we just hit enter. And let's see if that's completed. Yeah, and then we'll just go into the log folder. Now you've got the install log. As you can see, it will come up like this. It will give you all of the installation information of where it's put the install, everything like that. And then down the bottom, you will get a configuration completed successfully, and that'll be the program installed. If we just go to start and just type in PuTTY, you can see that's now been installed correctly. Just a few notes on the switches that I've used. So again, /i specifies the location of the MSI file that you want to install. QN, again, you can use this to specify silent install. And the /log specifies the location of the log file if required. Again, as I mentioned, you can use wildcards in this to make it easily distinguishable to different machines. So in order to stop reboots, you may need to add this flag at the end of your install command. So it would be, just go back. So what you would want to do is essentially reboot equals no on the end of it, just like that, and that will stop any reboots. And also, if you want to repair an installation, you can use the /f switch. So essentially, if you wanted to put this out to a broader amount of clients, you would copy this command, and then you would use that in conjunction with a program such as SCCM or Manage Engine, or you can even use a group policy software installation to to target many machines and get this installed silently. So that is the end of the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. Please subscribe and let us know if you need any other further tutorials on Windows Server, group policy, GCP, Azure, any of those products. Please let me know. Thank you. Goodbye.